and then move both sticks down and out. Dom here from Essential RC, back for another flight test of another GPS helicopter. This one looks really nice. It's Yuxiang WOLFBUSH's UH-1 GPS intelligent helicopter in American Coast Guard rescue scheme. It's GPS enabled, which means that when you fly it and you're in GPS mode, it knows where it is in the world. So particularly when you're hovering, it locks it, and your fingers off the sticks, it locks onto that position, and it will try its best not to move from that location, even if there's wind. If you fly away and you want to return to home, you can flick a switch to do that, and it will do that automatically. Also, if you get a disconnection between the radio transmitter and the helicopter will return to home. And if you go low battery voltage on the radio transmitter or the battery inside the helicopter, it will do the same thing. Really clever. It's also got a couple of other smart features where it will do automated figure of 8 and a circuit all by itself. Just because it's GPS enabled doesn't mean you can't fly indoors. It has optical flow and LIDAR sensors, and if you put it in that mode, you can also fly indoors, and I will do that in a later video. So let's have a look at what's in the box. Okay, so first thing, it comes in this nice sturdy box, which is good for transporting it around. 2 catches, flip those and then open it. Let's turn it around. So you get the instructions. These are very good instructions that tell you about all the features and a few other things. This helicopter, lots of foam to keep it all in place. Got the radio transmitter down here, and then the helicopter itself in here, and some spare parts. So in here you've got spare blades, the USB charging cable for the battery or batteries, and there's even a light that you can put on the front as well. Taking the helicopter out. Really nice scheme. Battery fits in the front. And then you can order it with, I think, up to 3 batteries. So this one's come with 1. Smart battery, so they know the voltage they're at, and if you click a light, it shows you if it's fully charged or not by the number of LEDs. Anyway, let's put some AA's in the transmitter and get this in the sky. Okay, transmitter on first. Middle position is for GPS mode, down for locked auto, and we just leave that alone. On here we've got the most important thing is high and low rates here. We've got auto landing there. Let's turn on the battery. Make sure when you put the battery in that you pull these switches outwards so that it's definitely locked in position. Always worth keeping your fingers out of the way of the blades. Hold down the button. The 4 LEDs light up and then give you the tone. Put it down, straighten out the blades. You should then see on the, you probably can't see in the light, but you'll see that the receiver battery indicator should show you the voltage on that, and you get that on the transmitter voltage as well. We're in GPS mode, so we do have to wait for satellites, and it tells you how many satellites you've got here. So we just have to wait until we've got, I think, 6 or 7. Alright, so we've just got 9 satellites, 10 now, so we're ready to take off. So we flick the switch to unlocked, and then move both sticks down and out. So on the transmitter we can use this and we can do some clever things. So if we push it up, it will do automated figure of 8. Let's try that. Nice. If we flick it down, it will do automated circuits. Let's try that. Well, it cancelled it on the first click down, so let's do it again. You can look like an expert in front of your friends. Click up to cancel that, I think, and it will go back into hover. Try this. So let's turn and go a bit further out. Now if we click the button on the far right, it should come back and auto land, I'm hoping. We could cancel that by putting the switch back up again. and we're down. Now that's where we took off, so it's probably 2-3 meters away from that. Worth knowing that should you do the same thing. So there you go, that's the new Yuxiang WOLFBUSH UH-1 smart GPS helicopter. As good as some of the other GPS helicopters I've flown from Yuxiang, and WOLFBUSH flies really well, but now in this really nice scale US Coast Guard rescue scheme. And there's a lot of scale detail on this as you look more and more at it. Pretty impressive. So the link for this is in the video description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.